Cosmetic Dentistry, porcelain veneers. Tell me a little bit about porcelain veneers, and also how do you help people know what their teeth are going to look like when it's all done? And who's an ideal candidate? A few questions in there.
So porcelain veneers are great for people who want to turn back the clock on their smiles.
Okay.
Because what happens as we age is really two things happen to our teeth. One is they get shorter and shorter and shorter, and the other is they start to discolor. So with porcelain veneers, we can change the shade back to what it used to be, and we can make the teeth longer so that they regrow the edges of the teeth that have been worn down from years of chewing and grinding.
How do you show them what they're going to look like when it's all done?
That's a big concern of our patients, because a lot of our patients, they want the teeth to look nice, but they don't want to look unnatural.
Okay.
They don't want to look like, you know, a Hollywood movie star. They're not looking to be on the cover of a magazine. They just want to look the way they used to look when they were younger.
Okay.
So we're very, very careful in making sure that their smiles are natural, age appropriate, and that they blend in. They're not out there and just right in your face. So we do that by a digital smile design, where we use a Photoshop type program to show them what their smile is going to look like in a photo on the big screen. And
Are they surprised when they see it?
They think it's real. They're like, well, how did you get this photo of me? Right? But it's just a Photoshop of what we think is going to look nice. And on this Photoshop, they can say, oh, you know, Dr. Lee, that's a little bit too white. Can you back it off a bit? Or, you know, I wish it was a little bit brighter. I wish the teeth were longer or shorter or fatter or skinnier, and all those things we can still make adjustments. And then we can take that Photoshop and make a mock-up that actually goes onto their teeth in their mouth, so it slides over top of their natural
So you can try it in first.
It's a try-in.
Like a test drive.
It's exactly what we call it, is a small test drive. So they can see, okay, it looks great in a photo, but what does it look like in my face? We can take videos of it, we can take pictures of it, we can show them in the mirror. They can talk, they can smile, they can laugh, and they can even wear it home and show their spouse, show their friends. And we can still make changes to it. So we ask them, what do you love about this? What do you not love? And only when we nail it, and they say, okay, this is perfect, well, then we can basically photocopy that into the final results. And that's how we make sure that there's no surprises at the end.
Okay.
And that it's going to look, we can guarantee it's going to look great, because we're not going to finish until you tell us it looks great.